This is a video to show you in detail how a new 2019 Louis Vuitton bag should look like. The model is Neverfull and the size is medium. Price is $1,320 plus taxes. Everyone thinks that a Louis Vuitton bag is expensive, and maybe they are, but I think this model, the Neverfull, has a very good value. The bag itself is pretty big, and it even includes a mini pouch. This one has the most classic pattern, but there are many different patterns and colors. Regarding my purchase, I bought this purse in the LV boutique at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. It was a very pleasant experience. They offered drinks while shopping. After 2 days of using the purse, we noticed that the top leather trim was like undoing itself right where the seam is. I wish I had taken a picture. So we went to another LV boutique here in Seattle and they were able to exchange it without problem. It just took some extra minutes because there is a tax difference between Seattle and Las Vegas, so it took a couple more clicks in the system, but all went smoothly. I didn't have to pay anything besides $8 parking for 30 minutes. It is Seattle after all. One thing I discovered is that most, if not all the bags sold in US, are manufactured here in the US. I always thought that all LV bags came from France, but that is no longer correct. LV has many factories in the US. For some peace of mind, LV includes a tag that says it was manufactured with imported materials. Checking the inside tags of the bags, the bad one, the one that we bought in Vegas, was manufactured in Texas 2019, and the new one, the one in this video, was manufactured in SD, San Diego in 2019. I believe the Texas location is new and maybe they don't have the same experience than the old San Diego location. Anyway, after 4 months with the bag, everything remains good. Now, I will end the video just with a recommendation. Use your bag as soon as you get it, so you can catch any problems like it happened to me. Also, if you are going to buy this bag, buy it at a LV boutique. There are never discounts on it, there is no Black Friday at Louis Vuitton. I won't buy it used because the price at certified places like The Real is around $1,150. That is crazy because for $170 more you get a brand new one. Also there is a little more peace of mind, because for a few days you can go back to the store if something goes bad, just like it happened to me. Also crazier than that is that the little pouch that comes free with your bag, is being sold for more than $500. Buying new, it is a much better option. Now for the very end, would I buy it again? The answer is an easy yes. It costs just a bit more than an iPhone XS Max and this bag is probably the most recognized luxury item and probably it will last for many years, so paying more than $1,000 for something that you could use daily for years is a great purchase. It is like driving a luxury car every day, but the purse doesn't require costly maintenance. We asked the lady at the store and she said that the colors on this bag, the one in this video, is the original color, red interior, brown exterior, and this specific pattern. These days, due to the success of this model, there are many colors and patterns, but if you want the most iconic one, go for these colors. Thanks for watching. Bye.